The Enchanted Harp of Tara. Long ago, in the rolling green hills of Ireland, there lived a young boy named Finn. Finn was known throughout the land for his kind heart and quick wit. One day, while exploring the ancient ruins of Tara, Finn discovered a mysterious golden harp hidden beneath a pile of stones. As Finn gently strummed the strings, the harp began to sing a haunting melody. The enchanted instrument revealed that it once belonged to the great high kings of Ireland and possessed the power to bring peace and prosperity to the land. However, a wicked sorcerer had stolen the harp and hidden it away, hoping to keep its magic for himself. Finn knew he had to return the harp to its rightful place in the halls of Tara. With the help of his loyal wolfhound Bran, Finn embarked on a perilous journey across Ireland. They faced many challenges, including a giant with an insatiable appetite, a mischievous leprechaun, and a ghostly banshee. Through his bravery, cleverness, and unwavering determination, Finn finally reached the sorcerer's lair. Using the power of the enchanted harp, Finn broke the sorcerer's spell and freed the people of Ireland from his tyranny. Finn returned the harp to Tara, where it was played during great feasts and celebrations. The land prospered, and Finn became a beloved hero, remembered for generations as the boy who brought the magic of the enchanted harp back to Ireland. The tale of Finn and the Enchanted Harp of Tara teaches us that even the smallest among us can make a difference with a pure heart, a clever mind, and the courage to stand up for what is right.